This is an alternate universe Niagara Falls. A city where historic landmarks survived into the modern age. In this world, demolition and disasters never won. History evolved instead. In this timeline, the Clifton Hotel never disappeared. It still anchors the skyline, not as a relic, but as a living landmark. The Erie Railroad Station remains one of Niagara's gateways. Steam gave way to electric rail, but the station's role never changed, welcoming the world to the falls. In this reality, the Falls View Honeymoon Bridge never disappeared. Instead, it evolved, its familiar arches strengthened, its span widened for modern car and foot traffic. Today, people cross high above the gorge, pausing to watch the mist rise below, just as visitors once did over a century ago. The Whipple Truss Bridge still spans the river to Goat Island. Strengthened for modern use, it stands as a living monument to early American engineering. The Great Gorge Route was never abandoned here. Modern trolleys follow the same dramatic path, offering an unmatched view of the river's raw power. The Incline Railway still descends into the gorge. Updated for a new century, it continues to connect visitors directly to the force of the falls. The International Hotel remains a crossroads of cultures. In this world, it evolved instead of disappearing, just as Niagara Falls itself did. In this world, the Monteagle Hotel still crowns the heights of the city. Modernized but unmistakable, it remains a symbol of luxury and spectacle. From its terraces, guests look out over the city, proof that some landmarks were never meant to fade away. Old Falls Street thrives as it once did. Historic storefronts now house cafes, shops, and galleries, proof that preservation and progress can coexist. At night, Old Falls Street comes alive. Light reflects off pavement and windows, echoing the early days of Niagara's electric wonder. Terrapin Tower still rises above the rushing water. Once temporary, it now stands as a permanent place to witness the falls from above the mist. The Cataract House remains a symbol of Niagara's golden age. Once hosting presidents and dignitaries, it continues to welcome travelers in this alternate present. In this timeline, Niagara Falls never erased its history. It carried it forward. This is the city that might have been, and one still worth imagining.